Sounds like a joke, but the dreams come true. I just made $135,000. Take a look how easy my software track those pumps. REVOLAND, 7-day charts. On July 3rd, the volume of this coin was almost $700,000. 12 hours later, the volume was almost 9 million. The volume pumped from 700,000 to 9 million. Take a look the rest. This is the picture I share in the private list. Right here, REVOLAND. I put the sign right here on the volume spark. I shared this trade in the private list on August 6. We bought this coin for 0.4 cents and put a sell order up here at 12 cents, 170%. I made $17,000. Like I mentioned before, volume spark plus buyer power. The trades I share in the private list right here, REVOLAND, Skeb coin, Taraxa, Pixie, DigitalBits, Sonar. Do you think I made a lot of money in REVOLAND? Let me show how much I made in Taraxa. Remember, volume spark plus buyer power. Let's go to the charts. Taraxa right here. Let's go to 1 hour chart. Boom. Right here. Take a look at this volume right here. On August 1st, the volume of this coin 1 hour before was $670,000. The volume pumped to 22 million. Okay? After 12 hours later, the volume pumped from $4 million to 33 million. That's what I'm talking about. This is the picture I share in the private list. Same strategy. Volume spark. Buyers start to control the market. So we buy before the pump so you can surf the wave up. And I put a sell at 0.013. Take a look at the charts today. So I shared this trade in the private list right here on August 3rd. And you put a sell order up here. I made 850% profit, $85,000. Price after the 2 pumps go. Guys, like I mentioned before, this volume spark plus buyer power. The reason I share my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, we increase the buyer power. You just need surf the way up. Today I just made $135,000. You can make the same profits I do. You just need to copy my trades. Trades I share in the private list was Skeb coin, REVOLAND, Taraxa, Pixie, DigitalBits, Sonar. Trade with us. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. I will teach you a strategy to trade swing trade, cryptocurrency, and stock market. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Feel free to reach me out. Let's trade together. Together, we are strong. Also, I can trade for you and provide you 25 return of investment a week. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Remember, people don't work 24/7. The software does. The computer does. I'll do the homework. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.